Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your voice on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your voice is a cool feature that Instagram has recently brought out. To use it, you need to make sure you are using the most up-to-date version of Instagram. On the Instagram app, go to create a new post or story like you normally would. Now scroll through the effects at the bottom to find the Voice Effects effect. It is pink and yellow and says Record to change voice. If you can't find it, don't worry, you can search for it by swiping all the way to the end of the effects and tapping on the search icon. Then tap the search button in the top right corner to get to the search bar. Type in voice effects and tap on it to open it. You can now tap try it or tap the download icon in the bottom right to save it to your Instagram camera. If you download it, it will be saved to the left of your camera tray, so it will be super easy to find. Now go back to the camera screen of Instagram and you will find the voice effects option. Tap on it to try out the options. You can choose between helium, giant, vocalist, etc. To use an effect, tap on it and then hold down on the capture button while you speak. Let go when you are done speaking. You can now post it to your story or send it to a friend as normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.